Let me adjust the position of it so it has a little more leverage on the spring. Let me try that. So, or spring, I should say, has more leverage on the governor. All right, so what I did was I put it out farther on the rod so it has more force, more leverage on it. So let's try it again. So what it should do theoretically is the throttle should go up, the idle should go up. Funny, now I'm having the opposite effect with it. It's before I kind of tweaked this thing, I didn't have enough throttle. Now, or actually I had too much throttle, now I don't have enough. So it's, you know, it's one of those things. So let me tweak for a little bit and maybe I'll be back. All right, I adjusted the rod. I made it a little curved so it would fit around the air hose, air filter hose, and it also, I could see it actually goes right to the end of the throttle now. So as before, I think I had it just too tight and it just was not, despite this being all the way forward, this was not going all the way. So that's my theory. That's my theory for this minute, and let's try this now. So it looks like that was it. Again, I'm a little, I don't know why, I don't know what happened from, I don't know if it may be unscrewed, but I didn't touch it, so I'm a little puzzled why it happened, but well, that's good. It wasn't that big of a, you know, big of a deal or big of a fix. So the governor isn't working right, the starter clutch works good, everything's tuned, seems to be tuned right. I'm gonna leave it for now. I'll probably, maybe what I'll do is the red, the fact that it was running hot, I'll have to tackle that. I don't know, when the engine cools down, or what I'll do is I'll take the plug out and see where the spark is in relation to top dead center. There's two different manuals that I have. The 7/8, which is, this is what it is. It says it's supposed to be I think 5/16 before top dead center, and then I think a standard L is 3/8. So one's 315, one's 375 or something like that. So it's like a 60 thou difference. So I mean, I don't know how sensitive this tractor is to those types of 60 thou difference. Maybe it is, or maybe it isn't, I don't know. But I'm going to, once the engine cools down, I'll take a look at that. So thanks for watching, guys, and keep working on them Graveleys and old garden tractors. Thanks.